Good evening everybody. In this video I am sharing with you how to works fillet command in Auto CAD. I'm here for kind of various geometry. First is rectangle, second is line, third is vertical or curved line, fourth is also curved or vertical line. Here is rectangle geometry, F for fillet, R for radius value is 10, select polyline, boom. Second is our parallel line, FF, enter, radius is 0, first, second. In the third is F, enter, radius, enter, radius value is 0, first object, save second object. In the fourth and last object is enter or enter 0, first object, second object. For more videos, like and subscribe. Thank you.